My name is Eric Bauza. You may not recognize my face,
But you might recognize my voice, Doc. Ain't I a stinker?
I'm a Canadian voice actor living in Los Angeles. Although my work is here, my home will always be Scarborough, Ontario, Canada. Today, my son Ryker and I are gonna show you how we California.
Warner Brothers Studios.
One of the most famous film and television production studios
In the world.
Take a tour and you'll get a backstage peek at how the magic is made. It's been home to Friends, The Big Bang Theory, Gilmore Girls,
And some of your favorite cartoon characters, Doc.
The Smokehouse, a favorite for locals and celebrities alike since 1946. Known for its old Hollywood ambiance, its great barbecue, and if you're into it, they make a heck of a martini.
I have a few favorite restaurants though, like Badmaash, which is owned by two Canadian brothers from Toronto, Gus's Fried Chicken, and Park's Finest, to name just a few.
Here we are at Super Nintendo World, part of Universal Studios Hollywood, the haven for anyone that is a fan of the Mario Brothers video games.
Let's go! Wahoo!
Of course, since it's Universal Studios, we've had a big lunch, but now I think it's time to go on some rides. What do you think? All right, let's do it.
Like Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash, Jurassic World, The Ride, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Flight of the Hippogriff. Well, that was a day. Next stop is...
Down the highway to San Diego. This is gonna be epic.
First up, LEGOLAND.
Now, if you love Lego as much as I do, this is the place. MiniLand, Ninjago World, bricks, bricks, bricks. Just don't forget your shoes.
Ouch.
Next up, La Jolla Beach. This is just an amazing stretch of California coastline with amazing views. Don't feed the sea lions though, or the land lions, at the incredible San Diego Zoo in Balboa Park. Here, they're totally committed to conservation. There are over 100 acres with thousands of animals from around the world. You could walk it on foot or take a guided bus tour. And that's just the zoo. Balboa Park is amazing too. Just an incredible atmosphere. Of course, I'm saving my favorite for last, the Comic-Con Museum. If you grew up on stuff like this like I did, this is paradise.
Well, that's all, folks.
I'm voice actor Eric Bauza. This is my son Ryker, and this is how we
California.
Want to have the time of your life in California? Visit California.com to plan your trip.